Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can add Starling to Apple Pay. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up any preferred browser on your PC, search for Starling Bank. After that, enter your account number and phone number to sign into your account. After signing in, you will be redirected to the home page of your account. There are many benefits of linking Chase card with Apple Pay, like you can add your Starling debit card to Apple Pay and start spending instantly on your iPhone or Apple Watch. You can make fast, secure purchases in stores, in apps, on the web whenever you see the Apple Pay or contactless sign. In order to link them, just follow the steps. Make sure you have got the latest version of the Starling Bank app. Go over to card management section of the app and tap Add to Apple Wallet. You will see a card adder notification and tick when it's complete. If you are happy with Starling's TS and CS, accept them and you should be good to go. So that's how you can add Starling to Apple Pay. That's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.